Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Then let's scroll and find battery indicator and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got three different options. So we can either display only the battery icon with the percentage inside it. So the option I've got currently applied, or next to the battery icon. And as you can see, it will appear on the right, and it is much bigger than the previous option. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.